Good morning. Welcome to the #1 crypto show in crypto YouTube. I am BuLLZiLLa, and we got some huge Telcoin news, some unbelievable XLM news, and to top it off, of course, we got some XRP news. Guys, I tell you, I'm back with the daily content. Don't forget to subscribe. Telcoin posted this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm documenting my journey on the evolution of money. Smash that thumbs up. Quick video. Telcoin welcomes additional crypto regulatory oversight in the form of the Subcommittee on Digital Assets, Financial Technology, and Inclusion. We are committed to regulatory compliance in the U.S. Now, guys, this is the same guy I talked about yesterday in the video. HODL model found this. HODL model has been on fire with the Telcoin news. Make sure you guys follow HODL model on Twitter. Link in the description and YouTube. This is the video right here. Representative Congressman French Hill will chair the new cryptocurrency House Subcommittee. French Hill, we want innovation.
As a currency, is this something that should be legal, or is it a Ponzi scheme?
Look at that lookalike disbelief. Are you kidding me, bro? This guy French Hill's been bullish on digital assets and fintech and innovation for years. Like, don't ask this guy. Don't waste French Hill's time.
Well, I think let's go to basic principles here. Digital assets are something that need oversight and need consumer protection and need the right framework as a legal matter. Secondly, we want innovation for fintech and the use of blockchain to be available in the United States. We want to.
Good God, we want innovation and fintech, blockchain to be available in the United States. Guys, I'm predicting 2023 will be the best year in crypto.
Have the U.S. to be a leader. So we want to create a regulatory legal framework for digital assets, including digital payments, that makes America a leader in it from an innovation point of view, but also protects consumers and investors.
Wow.
As a currency, is this...
French Hill is super bullish on digital currencies, guys. You seen the video I did yesterday. I'm just kind of curious on his last tweet. Shout out to Martin Luther King Day also. Today we celebrate Dr. Martin Luther King. And here's the actual clip right here that HODL model found. Yeah, guys, that's amazing right there. And French Hill, Congressman French Hill. And of course, if you're talking about Telcoin, you got to give some love to DB Telcoin. Onward and upward Telcoin. I was thinking about using this thumbnail, but I may use this thumbnail. Let the world know about Telcoin. Okay, guys, here's the big news on Stellar. This is unbelievable. So if you guys haven't been following this is the technical content at Stellar.org. They hired a new content creator. Some personal news. Excited to say I started this week at Stellar. Now, we may have talked about this, but I did cover the blog. We didn't cover the blog, which is an amazing blog. If you're not familiar with what we do, check out the blog. The recent post from our CEO, 𝕤𝕠𝕞𝕐, illustrates in just some ways we're using blockchain to create a more equitable financial system. Now, this is actually an amazing read right here. Pretty much, this ties into how big Stellar is and how big Stellar is going to be. 𝕤𝕠𝕞𝕐, January 2023. At the start of the new year, I told our team that you have to picture the world that you want in order to make it happen. For us at SDF, the picture has been consistent since Stellar Network was established in 2014. With a more equitable financial system enabled in part by blockchain technology. December launched the Stellar Aid Assist. Now, this is where it gets big. The Stellar Aid Assist, a new aid disbursement system that is being used by a pilot program by the United Nations. Whoa. How big is this going to get? United Nations is using Stellar. United Nations High Commission and the International Rescue Committee. And this is exactly what I said crypto was going to be used for years ago in 2017. When I said these high, government buildings and officials like United Nations and the World Economic Forum, they basically send money all around the world for aid, and they want to be able to keep an eye on that money on the blockchain to make sure it's going to where it's going. The United Nations High Commission and the International Rescue Committee to deliver cash assistance to internationally displaced persons in Ukraine proves in no uncertain terms that blockchain technology is providing solutions for people where they are and when they need it most. Now we're headed to the World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos to bring this news to the global forum. So they're going to come there this year and say, hey, we're working with MoneyGram. We're working with the United Nations, I believe it was, and let me see, pilot program at the United Nations. And when they say that at the World Economic Forum and it was a complete success, Stellar's going to the moon. What? $12 that week. Now we're headed to the World Economic Forum. Stellar Aid Assist is a solution that directly addresses a real-world problem. It gives aid organizations a new alternative to providing individuals with physical cash that can put them at risk day to day when crossing borders. It does not require a bank account, debit card. It provides a receipt and more secure place to hold it than transporting funds until cash is needed. Basically, hold it on your cell phone. Digital dollars. Again, get it cash at any MoneyGram location. Welcome to the evolution of money. Davos represents from across government, businesses, and civil society to address the state world and discuss priorities for the year ahead. It's about moving money. Stellar Aid Assist will be there. Will be here. And you can leverage this solution for those who need it quicker. More transparent. So you guys see how ℤ𝕠𝕘𝕚 did it with this one. Big time partnerships announcement this year. This right here should get big weight, but hey, what can I say? We diversify here. We diversify. So anyway, guys, on to XRP. Here's XP Market. Let me know what you guys think about that partnership with Stellar in the comments. Here's XP Market, where I do all my transactions on the DeFi exchange. This is an amazing wallet. Amazing wallet. Exchange connects to your Zum wallet. You have to have your Zum wallet. You connect it to the XP Market at XP Market. I will put this in the description. And this is exactly what it looks like. This is the DeFi exchange. You can connect your wallet here. You can approve in your Zum wallet. And you can get any token on the XRPL, XRP right here. This is XRPayNet. XRPayNet's pumping 3%. It's warming up. There's Casino Coin. There's a lot of Casino Coiners out there. There's Core. There's Reaper. Reaper just got listed on the XRPayNet wallet today, and staking went live for XRPH. There's XRPoint. So you connect your wallet right there. You can have an exchange. You can check your portfolio statistics on the tokens, all the data, the 24-hour, the 7-day, the market cap, the holders, the trust lines, the volume in 24 hours, last 7 days. So this is pretty much amazing. XRPayNet is in the 15 spot in the top 20. That's amazing. This is the top 100 tokens. So what happens when XRPayNet hits that top 10? Better get your XRPayNet wallet. Not a financial advisor. Shout out to XRP Homegirl, longtime supporter, legend in the community. You see, she was one of the first people to put XRP in her name. I won 1,000 XRPayNet this week from CKJ. 20,000 MEX in February when Mayor Wallet launched, because I'm actually the mayor of Mayor, and I'm the Dr. XRPL, Dr. Kronos, Dr. Phono, Dr. FOMO. We got a lot of names here. But the thing is, guys, we're always giving away crypto completely free, just for showing love and being around. I appreciate all the love and support. We've been here since 2017. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to get back to this daily content. Mayor, MEX, XRPayNet. Thank you, Homegirl, for the tweet. Actually, I didn't even notice this, and HODL Model tweeted it. Telcoin. The Bullish family didn't miss Sol. And we're not going to miss Telcoin. Bam! No, that's a bullish tweet right there. Guys, I issued the 10 Solana challenge. You could have got 10 souls for $100. A shot at $260 per soul. We issued the 100K Telcoin challenge. You could have got 100K Telcoin for 60 bucks. It shot to $6,000 in a matter of days. Hands down, the biggest calls in crypto right here. Subscribe. January 2021. Sol was $3. By November 2021, Sol was $260. Good God. The French Hill article right there. HODL Model had that too. Altcoin Daily said, what coin deserves more attention? HODL Model said, Telcoin. Yeah. When you woke up this morning, Telcoin was on the move. The Telcoin XRP pair was pumping 20%. Congratulations to XRPayNet. Wow, 10K wallets. XRPayNet is on fire. I love this app. HODL model does too. She really likes the app. It's really easy to use. It's an amazing wallet. And I actually did send some more transactions through, and I am staking my XRPH now. Super easy to stake. It's like all self-explanatory. I might have to do a video. Solana Sparks investor interest after Sol records triple-digit growth in January. I see a lot of content creators beating the drum of, you know, it's going to be bearish times till Lord knows when. I have no idea what show they're watching. We melting portfolios over here. ACH on fire, pumping 54%. Another hidden gem on fire. Big time partnership was in Forbes. Highlighted the CEO. They did a deal with Visa. They're on virtual cards. ACH is going to be a very big deal. Keep your eye on ACH in 2023. XRPayNet, infinite possibilities. Guys, Reaper listed on the XRPayNet wallet. I'm hearing big things about Reaper. A couple of guys on my team are extremely excited about Reaper. XSticks, Patrick Riley, Reaper CEO. Looks like a custom NFT. Custom NFT set reveal. Patrick Riley, XSticks, XRPL NFTs. 10,000 wallets activated. That's amazing. They're always hiring social media expert if you speak Spanish, French. And there goes the stake. I'm actually looking for, bam, there it is right there. XRPayNet, XRP Healthcare, partnership, staking rewards, now live. I actually jumped on the 1 month stake, but it's up to you. You can do the 3 or 6 month for 5%. It's up to you. I'll see how that one goes, and I'll let you know. But guys, get that wallet. Do not miss that. Won an XBot NFT today. Shout out to Lord Mike Collins, CO98, Lord Mick. And shout out to the XBots. Of course, I'm coming for my XBot NFT run on XRPL. XRPL Rainforest. Bullish on that. XRPL Rainforest. XRP Parrots. But it's X Parrots NFT. Bullish on that, of course. And shout out to the X-Rain, the X-Chameleons. Will be the loudest advocates for XRPL, the X-Bots. What can I say? Welcome to XRP land. J-Kill XRP. Nice congrats. Beep bop. Nice pickup. Beep bop. That's like their Twitter thing. J-Kill's a legend. I ask you guys, he dropped some amazing NFTs in our NFT room in our Discord. You got to check out our Discord, guys. We got the baddest Discord. We got the XRPayNet room, the XRP room, the 100K challenge room, the live stream room, the special announcement room. You might want to check that room right now. There's a big announcement in there. Shout out to DJ Peter Voss. 75,000 XRP returned by scammer. John Denton praises community. This is pretty interesting right here. 75,000 XRP got returned. John Denton praises community efforts. Crypto law founder and blockchain enthusiast John Denton praised the XRP community after the scammer returned 75,000 XRP stolen from a user. The very definition of community, wrote Denton. David Schwartz, Ripple CTO, also expressed delight with the return of the stolen funds. And it looks like the very definition of community, and they got the address where he did return it. In a series of events on January 11th, the user named Hector complained that his bag of XRP had been took while updating his firmware on the fake ledger site. Be very careful, guys, fake ledger sites. Response came in from the XRP community as well as Nick Bogelis. And we were talking about Nick the other day. We thought he was bearable guy. Well, many thought he was bearable guy. Former director of engineering at Ripple, who commended the user for raising the alert on the fake ledger website. A particular XRP user who picked interest in the matter alerted the community of a similar instance with fake ledger websites. Guys, be careful with the fake ledger websites. Within hours of the details surfacing, the transfer of 50 XRP was made to the user, who provided the address, followed by another 75,000 XRP. So guys, two things. You always want to do a small transaction first to make sure everything goes smooth, and then you do the real transaction. So it looks like he returned it, and I think there's a little bit more into it. On the wake of users' urge to double check the website address, but I thought they were saying maybe they felt bad. The return of the funds drew curiosity after several asked what could have prompted the scammer to return the loot. The response, what may maybe that he was moved by a heartfelt messages seen to him through the BitHop transaction memo field. So people were sending like memos like, please return that. And he read those and returned it. That's an interesting scenario right there. But I'm glad the guy got his money back, because I know, oh my God, he was probably devastated when he lost the 75,000. I don't know if he missent it or went up missing, or he used a fake ledger site. So guys, just be very, really cautious. 𝕊𝕚𝕟𝕜𝕤, she's been on fire with the Telcoin news. My favorite crypto project is Telcoin 2023. Guys, I showed you the other day where the senators are super bullish on Telcoin. It's coming, 2023. Buckle up. Smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. See you guys on the live. Much love. Mahalo.